Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my 10th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss about how we can make any text on a web page bold, italics or highlighted. Okay, so let's begin. First we will discuss how to make a text bold. To do that, let's write some text. Alright, we have written some text here. Today the weather is nice and sunny. So to make some part of this text bold, how we can do that? To do that, first of all, we have to take the cursor where we want to make it bold and then write the B tag. B tag stands for the bold tag, and we will put it until here. Okay, so if we save it and check it in our browser, you can see here that the part here is bold. Okay, similarly we can do this to this word sunny also. Save it, check it in our browser, and you can see here the word sunny is also bold here. So this is generally used if you need to make some text a little better visible. You can do this, and it is also helpful for search engines to distinguish between important and more important text. Okay, you can achieve the same thing with another tag which is called strong tag. Okay, the strong tag is also the same functionality and the result will be the same. Nothing is changed here, you can see here. Next we will discuss how to make a text italics in a web page. To do that, let's consider this text. Did you just fall? No, I was just checking if gravity still works. Okay, if you check it in the browser, you can see that it's like this. We have added a beer tag here, okay, to break the line. Now let's consider that if we want to make this fall word italics, how we can do that. To do that, we have to just write I tag here like this. Okay, now if you check in the browser, you can see that this fall is converted to italics text. Similarly, we can do this here also. You can do this as much text as you want. It's not like that you have to do that for only a single word. Okay, you can see the text is converted to italics. Okay, next we will discuss how to make a text highlighted in a web page. To do that, first let's write some text here. Okay, okay, so here is the text. Life is short, smile while you still have teeth. Oops. Okay, so as you can see here, the text is normal, so nothing is highlighted here. So say if you want to highlight some parts of a text, how you can do that? Let's say first we want to highlight the word smile. To do that, we have to write a less than sign, then MAR key, mark, then greater than sign, and to close this tag we have to do it like this: less than sign, forward slash, then MAR key, mark, then greater than sign. Save it and check it in your browser. You can see here it's highlighted in yellow color. You can change this with the CSS styles. It will check that later on. Okay, similarly we can highlight this part of the text like this. you can see here it's highlighted. So that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.